Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now viewers and subscribers, this is another sad news again. Now there's reports out there about a man that had been held by the police. That man is in the custody of the police, and two females had been shot and killed while they were in a house that is located somewhere within Mandeville, that is of the parish of Manchester, that is of the country of Jamaica. Now this said to have happened on the 5th of February 2020, and according to reports is that this said to have happened sometime before 2 a.m. It is said that the last name of one of the females is Dixon and the last name of the other female is Mullins. And it is said that the female that is known as Dixon is a mother of 3 children, and according to reports it is said that the 3 children were in the house at the time of the incident, and it is said that none of the 3 children were hurt during the incident. According to reports, it is said that the police suspected that this incident where these 2 females had lost their lives might have been the result of an ongoing domestic dispute between one of the female and a man that had been listed as a person of interest. And that man that had been listed as a person of interest, it is said that that man had been or have been in a relationship with one of the female. Now viewers and subscribers, according to reports, sometime before 2 a.m. a person went by the house where the 2 females were at sleeping. Then it is said that the person pries away the burglar bar, then remove the louver blades from the window, and then go through the window to gain entrance to the premises or to go inside of the house. And it is said that once the person entered the house, it is said that the person opened fire on both females and then fled the scene. Right now, it is said that the police was alerted and police officers arrived on the scene, and it is said that somewhat of an investigation had been done. It is said that sometime later on the 5th of February 2020, the suspect had been held at a roadblock, right? So it is said that the police designed that thing that is known as a police dragnet. You see what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? Yeah, and it is said that is how the person that is said to be the suspect or the accused of this double murder had been held by the police. Is what I'm saying to you? Now viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that what I just told you is based on my understanding of reports out there, and that there might be more information about this whole incident that had happened. Alright? And with that, this is where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. There's to keep it up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.